Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Fraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session I will talk about single line text or how we can write single line text in AutoCAD. So let's get started. Make sure that you have created a layer regarding text, okay, as I have created here. You can create from here from layer panel, and I will activate this one. I will just make this one as a current layer from here. Okay, I will just click on this one, text. Okay, then what I will do, I will go into the home tab and there is annotation panel. From here you can see there is one option, that is text. Okay, so here what I will do, I will just click on this drop down arrow. I will just click on this one. Here you can see some of options, multi-line text and single line text, and today in this session we will just talk about single line text. So I will click on this one. It will activate what? Text. Okay, so you can see here AutoCAD is giving option text specify start point from where you want to start. Okay, or you can use this command TE, what? TE for text. Okay, single line text. So I will hit enter. Now I will just click here. Okay, and I will just activate the ortho mode from F8. Okay, now it is asking about, you can see here, specify height of the text. So I have to mention here the height as well. So right now I need 1.5 unit of height. Okay, I will hit enter. Now it is asking about specify rotation angle. So which angle do you need? For example, I just want to write here horizontal text, so angle here will be 0 degree. Okay, so I will enter 0 and I will hit enter. Now I will write here text rectangle. Okay, after complete the text you will hit enter for 2 times, not for 1 time, 2 times. I will hit enter twice. Okay, now text are inserted here. I can move from here with move key. Okay, and I can move from here, or I can use this grip as well for moving. Okay, so now this is done from here, and I just want to write here as well text. So what I will do, I will go here, I will click on this drop down, I will just select this one, I will give first point. Okay, here, and then I will give the height. So height right now I need 1, I will hit enter. Then angle I need 0, I will hit enter. Then I will write here cross section for foundation. What? Cross section for foundation. Okay, this is how we can write the text. What if I want to just write text in this angle, in 45-degree angle? You can write here. So what I will do, I will just come out of command with escape key. I will move this text. Okay, here, and now I want to write the text in this angle. Okay, so I will activate the command from here. Okay, I will give first point here. Then what it is asking about, I will just specify the height. So I need 1. Okay, then it is asking about specify rotation angle. So this is a wall plan and this is on 45 degree, so rotation angle will be 45, and I will hit enter. Now I can write here wall plan. Okay, so this text is in 45-degree angle. I will hit enter for 2 times. Okay, then I can move this one with these grips. Okay, I can move it. Okay, from here to this position. So this is how we can just write the text in horizontal position, or if you want to just write a text in angular position, you can write as well. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.